Hello everyone, it's Nicholas from gfunnelsasia.com. If it's your first time with me, then welcome, and for everybody else, welcome back. Okay, so in today's episode, what we're going to be talking about is the Groove Asia affiliate program and where you can get your affiliate links. Now, previously I'd mentioned if you were in your Groove account, you can see I'm in Groove here. Now, whether that's a Groove account or a Groove Asia account, that's totally up to you. But before, what I was doing was going to the Groove affiliate program up here, waiting for the page to load. It's coming down the page, and in the tools area here, we were going in and selecting Groove Asia and getting our affiliate links. That option is no longer available, hasn't been available for a week or so, and I think I mentioned that in a video a couple of days ago. But there is a way that you can now get your Groove Asia affiliate links, and I want to make this clear. It doesn't matter whether you have a Groove account or a Groove Asia account, all right? If you have a Groove account and you are an upgraded member of Groove or a platinum member of Groove, you don't need to create a Groove Asia account. If you have a free Groove account though, and you live in the Asia Pacific area and you think that Groove Asia might better suit your needs, then you can create a Groove Asia account and then upgrade it Groove Asia later if that is your preference. But either way, it doesn't matter which account you have, whether it's Groove or Groove Asia, you will be able to get your commissions. And if you're an upgraded member, a platinum member in either Groove or Groove Asia, you will get your 40% commissions. So let's move on though. And what you'll see up here is we have a new page for the Groove Asia affiliate program. Now, this page may look familiar to you. If you're part of Groove, you would notice that there was a Groove JV affiliate page before. This one is now grooveasia.cm/JV. So grooveasia.cm/JV, and I'll try and leave a link for it below in the video. And what you want to do once you get to this page, make sure that you logged in to your Groove account. So again, make sure you're logged into your Groove account. Okay, so log into your Groove account, and it doesn't matter again whether that's groove.cm or grooveasia.cm, either one will be fine. Just make sure you're logged into one. And you'll see here that the promotion tools box is available for Groove Asia. Now, when you first get here, you may find that there's a little pink button that you need to click on to activate this particular promotions panel. So be very careful as to which account you're logged into when you do that, because it will link back to the appropriate account. So if you're on your Groove account and you're an upgraded platinum member, make sure you're logged in when you click on the link. That way you'll get your 40% commissions, and the same would go with the Groove Asia account. If you're upgraded there, make sure you're logged into that account before you click on the button here and log in. If you're not an upgraded member in either account, it won't make a difference now, but it may make a difference later when you decide to upgrade. So think about which account, if you have both accounts already, which account you wish to upgrade in at a later date, and make sure you're logged into that account before you click on any button that would be here, roughly about here on the page, to bring this tool set up. Alright, and then from there, like everything else, your affiliate links are available right here under links, and you can see here under the portal section, you can either choose the Groove account, Groove Asia account, or the launch event. Either one is going to do the same thing. It's going to show you the same set of tools here. It's not going to make a difference, but what is going to make a difference is the links that you choose to promote. So if we click on links here, you'll see that there is the launch event link, there is the free Groove Asia account link, and there's a direct link to the upgrade page, or what most of you would know as the platinum membership for Groove Asia as well. So you can promote any of those 3 links and they will bring people in, and of course when they sign up they will be attached to you as your affiliate, and if they choose to upgrade you will earn that 20 or 40% commission, 20% if you're currently a free member, and 40% if you're an upgraded member. Now, if you have any doubts about that, just read over all the other material that's on the page here. It will explain it very, very well to you about how this all works. There's a bunch of other information here. The one thing that I do highly recommend that you do read, and as some of you may know from one of the updated videos I did recently, read the rules, affiliate terms and conditions. Okay, this will talk about how you get paid, when you get paid, what the do's and don'ts of promotions are, and what you can and can't do. So just make sure you have a look at that information. It's critical that you understand it. The other thing you may want to do is also watch the video that's up here. It's a very quick video, but again, you'll get some information on how the affiliate program for Groove Asia is going to work. But that's it. There's your promotion tools. We go back on that promotion tools. You'll see you'll get your stats in here. So if you've got anybody upgraded or even registered for a free account with you, that will be under the stats. You've got swipes, and you can see the swipes are now available. So there's some announcements and adventures and launching and today and start. There's a whole bunch of stuff here, and of course it does change sometimes when you click the portal here. Some of the information in here may change. You can see here for the portal now on these particular sets of tools it is different, and you do get a completely different set of information that you can send out to people. Alright, so that's the swipes. There's also blog reviews. Again, see, I'm on Groove Asia account here, and here is a blog review in this day and age. And if we change to the launch event, it may or may not change depending on how they've written and whether they've written a blog post. Now, in some of these particular products, what you're going to find is that not every product has a particular set of promotion tools. And if you ever get this spinning wheel of death, as we call it sometimes in the promotion tools area, don't panic. Just come up and hit the refresh on your browser, wait for it to reload, and then just go back, because what's happened is that maybe that particular tool is not available in that area. So I went into the launch here and tried to click on the blog reviews. It didn't show up. Alright, again, so if we stay in the main one for the Groove Asia account, we go into articles. You'll see there's an article and a press release. If I go back here, you'll also find out there's some banners coming up here that you can use as well for different types of marketing. What else have we got? Thank you page ad. There you go, on the thank you page of any products or services you may be selling yourself. Log out page ads. If you've got membership sites, you might want to use the particular tool here for people when they log out of your membership site to encourage them to join you in Groove Asia. Of course, there's the social media posts. There's a post you can use for Facebook. There's one for Twitter, and there's one for LinkedIn. If I go back, video reviews, we have a video review you can use here for the free to lifetime account. There's also the official launch video. You may want to use one of those. There's some Facebook ads here that you can use, so different types of ads you may want to use if you're doing Facebook paid marketing. My suggestion is you may want to chop and change some of these ads up a little bit. They're a good starting point, but with everybody else possibly using the exact same ad, it may be an idea to swap those out a bit before you use them. And then of course the old signature that you can use at the bottom of places like emails or blog posts, forum boards, and so on and so forth. So look, there you go. That's all the tools. Hopefully that was helpful. That's it from me, and I'll talk to you soon.